Hello friends, welcome to Stack. This is Vivo V15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can make your pattern line invisible in your phone Vivo V15. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click here for settings. Now click on fingerprints and password. Draw the pattern. Yes, your line is tracked. If you want to disable it, you can do it. Just turn off this button. So it will not display the pattern line. See here, pattern line is not visible. So in this way you can make your pattern line invisible in your phone Vivo V15. If you want to have again the pattern line, go to the same settings and you have to turn on this button, display the pattern line. Yes, it's working now. In this way you can easily change. That's all friends.